Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Applock setup guys, A to Z Applock trip. Today friends, I am going to show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your first of all phone setting to start guys your Applock. So one by one, step by step. So guys, first of all we will have to on phone security settings. So guys, we will on it. Second guys, you can see guys your phone app lock setting. We will tap here guys. Third guys, we will have to select pattern lock. So guys, we will select pattern guys. So friends, you can see app lock guys, we will tap here. So guys, we will select guys first of all guys pattern. So guys, I will take guys this any normal pattern. So guys, I will take guys this U, and once again guys two time guys tap here. So guys, first of all guys, we will have to set guys here guys security caution, then guys we can use guys app lock. So guys, don't forget guys your security caution. So I will take guys my name guys here, and guys I will done option tap here. Friends, you can see my app lock will start. So you can start, and guys I can use. So friends, you want to log guys app, so guys you can log which app guys you want to log, like WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Google Play Store, files guys you want to log. So guys you can log. Friends, you can see guys I have logged guys this Google guys, I will log, and Gmail. So friends, you can see guys time to check Applock is working or not. So friends, you can see if we use guys this Google. So friends, you can see guys we have Applock. So guys, we will draw our pattern to unlock app. So like that guys, and guys fourth guys, you can see guys your app lock password guys you want to change. So guys, you can change from here. Again guys, on guys your app lock setting, and guys enter your pattern, and friends you want to unlock guys any app. So guys, you can unlock from guys the right side icon. So my setting option guys, tap here. Change password guys, tap here guys. So guys, new pattern guys, I will take guys this L guys, and friends you can see this again guys, tap here. Friends, you can see privacy password has changed. Friends, you can see if we use, so friends you can see we have this new password. And friends, again click on setting. Friends, you want to reset guys your security caution guys, security caution, so you can reset from here. And last guys, you want to off guys, you don't want to use app lock, so guys you can off from here. First of all guys, we will off this and off. As you can see guys, we don't have any app lock setting guys, you cannot use guys. You want to use guys, you will have to set up again. So like that guys, we can set up guys app lock A to Z setting guys, how to on, use, lock, unlock, and change and off. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set up app lock setting in Infinix phone device and how to use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.